The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ko bajam, tak sao point rilak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Menteri Ramba Kejelau Conrad ke Sangma, Ubadeiru National President ke NPP, haka arpusau terek unailar arja penriu, ulaong baka jingmino Jong MP barim ke Raja Sabah na ke parti, kadai ke Shimet Jong ya ke baka parti hi ke haban buram ya kata ke Jong Habakran sekilat patai kubor, Conrad Sangma ula penpau yakini ke kentin da ke baong. Hanga Shimet nga susi shibun, bat ngamsyam lakmi linti bakanikan ja, henry nga buram bat nga pediang yakara Jong Dr. Kharlukhi.
Taken at his own level, and I have nothing to say. We accept and whatever his decision is, and we have worked for a very long time together from my late father's time, and of course we've done many things, positively for the state, for the party, and I cherish all those moments and all those things. And there comes, I guess, a time when he is also having his own mind and maybe some things that he wishes to do. So we have no issues with that. As I said, from the party side, we have always given our respect to our leaders. And even I remember very clearly that my late father was very keen that he should become Rajya Sabha MP. But that time he had rejected that offer. And that's why that time I think Thomas had become the Rajya Sabha MP. But then I ensured that that particular aspect also, so that a person who has been very active in politics and given a lot of his time to governance, to people, I felt that it was important that a person like that should be voicing our concerns at the parliament. And so we went ahead and we appointed, or rather we elected him as the Rajya Sabha MP. But as I said, I guess Dr. Kharlukhi has his own concerns, his own points and his own plans, and I wish him all the very best. Not really, in the sense that people will come and people will go. It's okay. I mean, on a personal note, I am of course very sad that this has happened. I didn't expect this to happen. But I respect it and I accept it. But we will move on and the party will continue to work. We have a lot of work to be done and a lot of people have joined the party. And I think that's the nature of politics and party politics. We'll see. We'll discuss with the party leaders and then we will take a call.
Kata bagi sematkat senangnya sangka.
Sngewsih dari MSIS. Mau.
Gak jingir apa saya lalu yang sorkar, hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hapsa dari sama. Ada MHIS kapi.
Untuk mulai karakter kata.
Jadi konfi hap ada medika hostel, dah hap lek pi ka registration. Dalam dampi dengan smart card, dah sampai cok.
Oh dokter dan lah ya.
Yang ni konfi hap lek operation ni yo.แต่ความการต่อครับปัญญาในพี่อยากไปสร้างตะกันครับหลาย operation นี้แต่ว่า MHIS การพี่และนี่ก็ smart card แต่ก็ทำไปเอาเรื่องพี่
อะไรนักปากมันแหละอยู่ไปสาวสมาเนี่ยคนอาบรรดาในเสียอยู่สมาเขาเลยสิบนนะkalau ia lah atau percangkap ni ya.
Ini kan memang dia smart card.
Kan teh. Ku dah sibuk. Mau.